Hello, chemistry class. It's Mr. Ng. It is Tuesday, March 17th, 2020, and we're in the very beginnings of the coronavirus. All of a sudden, I feel very grateful that I was able to give you a lesson on the coronavirus before you guys left off. I don't know how you guys are feeling, but I've had the weirdest week. Like, I finally got all my groceries in, and it's just kind of been a mess. So I hope you guys are safe, and I hope you guys are taking care of your family and your health. But the school district, the Benita Unified School District, has asked that we still give you guys instruction. So I bet from your other teachers, you must have gotten something, some sort of packet or some sort of thing like that. And we're gonna do the same. We're gonna have some vocab this week. You're gonna have some reading, but on top of that, I'm gonna try to at least make you a video at least twice a week, and I'm gonna try to make myself available so that if you have questions, I'm still available through probably Google Hangouts. A lot of that's not sorted out yet. I've been tinkering for a while. But maybe I'll use Twitch, maybe I'll use YouTube, and maybe I can stream my lessons. So keep an eye out. I'll definitely tell you through Remind if those things occur. But let's get to this week. This week, it's all about introducing solubility. Solubility means how well do things dissolve in water? This is what we were supposed to start before we get into acids and bases. So I am going to ask you to do a little mini lab at home. This mini lab involves making a super saturated solution. A super saturated solution is basically water that has too much of something in it. In this case, it's probably going to be sugar. You're going to take 3 cups of sugar for only 1 cup of water. Not a lot of water. For 3 cups of sugar, you're going to slowly dissolve 3 cups of sugar into only 1 cup of water, and you got to get that water pretty hot. Pour that sucker into a jar, put in a little string. It helps if you rub that string in some sugar and just let it sit. My biggest advice, don't even touch the jar. Just let the jar sit in a closet. Don't touch it. Don't be curious about it. Forget the jar, and then you'll grow beautiful crystals. I will probably make a video sometime today or tomorrow to kind of get you through that process. But the article that I posted is a very good resource already. So number one, I would love for you to make a sugar crystal. If you want, you can make a borax crystal. That's way faster. I gave you a little slip for that. That's if you could go through Target and buy borax. But, I mean, Target's a mess. But, maybe it'll die down. Get some borax. The borax one is way faster, and you'll actually get prettier crystals, in my opinion. And then, okay, make your crystals. And then after that, there's a little bit of a vocab sheet for solubility. You could do it on a sheet of paper. If you want to print out the sheet and fill it out, that's cool too. Send me a photo, that's great. Or you could just save the work for when you come back, if you come back. But I would prefer if you sent me that work. And then there's a little bit of reading out of the book. Okay? That should get us through Friday. But between now and Friday, that's a lot of time. Expect that I should have at least one lesson posted for you, so for you to watch. And let me see if I could figure out a way for us to actually talk to each other so you get some feedback from your teacher. Okay? Stay safe out there, guys. Really weird situation, but that doesn't mean we're not going to try to give ourselves the best education possible, right? And on that note, I bet a lot of you are wondering, like, what if I can't do it? Will this affect my grade? None of these things will hurt your grade. Really, I just don't feel comfortable with you not learning. Like, I'm your teacher, and I want you to learn. And I hope that you can do these things in that spirit. Will there be a little bit of a bonus? Maybe afterwards, maybe if I collect all the work and I saw that you guys did a ton of work, maybe I might give a lot of you, those of you who did it, a little bit of a boost here or there. But right now, I mean, not everyone has the same opportunities, so I can't really make this like a mandatory thing. But even though it's not mandatory, know that I'm going to put in a ton of work to make sure that you get an excellent education.